If you got the RayNeo Air 4 Pro, I've got good news for you because the INAIR Pod finally supports the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. This means that you can now connect your glasses to the pod and get full 3-dot functionality. This is another reason why the INAIR Pod is just an absolute great device. In this video, I'm going to tell you what's new about it. Really, the biggest thing is the fact that it now supports the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. This means that for a lot of you who don't have the 3-dot, because the RayNeo Air 4 does not have native 3-dot, you can finally get 3-dot using the INAIR Pod. This means that you are now able to connect your glasses into the pod, watch high quality content with 3-dot, as well as using the AI to the 3D conversion that the INAIR Pod has. Now, I do have an affiliate link for the INAIR Pod. If you don't have one, by using the affiliate link, you are helping me out. However, just because you use the link does not mean that I'm saying anything in regards to the INAIR Pod trying to get you to buy the device. I just think it's an incredible device. Now, before you call this video sponsored or paid for, just remember, back in November, I paid $1,200 cash money out of pocket to buy the INAIR Elite Suite out of pocket myself, because I wanted to experience what it was all about, and I am so glad I did. But I figured I should tell you guys, because as soon as a YouTuber says they have an affiliate link, some people will automatically assume that the video is sponsored or it is paid for, or just something that we are doing some kind of scam. No, that is not the case. Affiliate links are just to help us out, and you are not paying anything additional. If you're not interested in this product, there's other things that you can buy as well. If you don't have one, you probably should think about it, because this pod right here is compatible with a lot of AR and XR devices. So if you want the RayNeo Air 4 Pro today, you can use the pod with you can use the glasses with a pod. If you decide you want to get an extra device, well, you can use it with a pod. If you decide you want to get a feature, well, you can use the pod. If you decide you want to use INAIR's own glasses, well, guess what? You can also use it with a pod. This is why I think this is the best spatial computing device that I've used so far, because of the wide compatibility that it offers. But anyway, this is most especially good news for people that have the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. Now, obviously, there are other updates as well on the pod, but I feel like this is the biggest one, especially for people that have the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. So if you have the two together, if you haven't updated, now is the time for you to update. But big shout out to INAIR for constantly working on this pod and giving everyone a compatibility. These are the type of companies that you should absolutely support. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.